babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and yell, because we literally over here. Without further ado, y'all, in today's video, I don't know if anyone would be interested in seeing this, but you know, there's always a viewing for any and everything. But I don't know if you guys like wear your hair in wraps and stuff, whether it's relaxed or natural. Y'all know me. I have relaxed hair. I actually just got a relaxer. Yes, 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 yes. And I wanted to show y'all how I wrap my hair. So I only use two items. I use this brush. This brush is by, I don't know. It's a detangle brush. I think it's very easy to use. It put less strain and stress on your hair, so you don't have to worry about it just, you know, raking your hair out. I would just advise to use this. It's just better on the hair and less tension. And I use a silk scarf. You can get both of these from your local beauty supply store or even Amazon. I'll try to find something on Amazon, link it down below. I don't use cotton scarves because, as you know, cotton scarves can, from beauticians that I've spoken with, it can push your hairline back. It can cause your hair to, you know, breakage and stuff. It's just the material. So I've always been told to use silk scarves because it's just better on, you know, the head, the skin. I also, like, in my bed, I use silk pillow covers because it's just better for your skin, your hair. So it's just like silk is where it's at. That's all. That's it. So before we get started, look me in my eyes because I ain't got no edges. I ain't got no edges. I ain't got no edges. I'm dead serious. I don't have edges. So y'all might get a glimpse of it, of my edges. I ain't got edges. Because why? Because Young Rare, when she was a youngin', in her 20s and in her tweens, I wanted to bleach my hair all day, every day. I wanted to get braids. I wanted to put different type of color in my hair. I would still get relaxers and bleach my hair. And I know some of y'all are probably just like, oh my gosh, yeah. If I wouldn't have never did that to my hair would probably be down to my butt, you know? So yeah, Young Rare was definitely, I would bleach my hair just because. So, I ain't got no edges. So, goes a little something like this. So y'all, I always wear my hair, my part down the middle. And this is a little, it ain't straight, it's a little crooked. But usually, you know, I just go like this. Just brush it a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to get the stringiness out of it. I don't like to put product on my hair. And now that, like, my hair is relaxed right now, it's bone straight. So I wouldn't put product on top of this because it's going to make it more straighter. And I don't like stringy hair. When I have my wrap, I like for it to be just body or, you know, just looking regular. I don't like it to be, you know, overfilled with product, grease, and all that other stuff. Maybe I can do a video later on showing you the type of products I use for my hair. But yeah, because as y'all can see, my hair have grown some. Because remember when I had cut it, the bob? Yeah, it's a little longer bob. So basically, I just, depending on which way you go, I always like to start on my left side for some reason. So I just always just go like this. See y'all, my edges. This side is worse. And I just go like this. Just comb it like you like about to do a ponytail. And I just swing that thing. Swing that thing. And I just hold it. Make sure you get the back, get that kitchen, because you want the kitchen to be up in there. Now y'all might see me just I on lip gloss and then I'm wrapping my hair. So you just want to, you know, just wrap it. See, this side is worse. I ain't got no edges. Bald head scaly, like I ain't got no hair on the sides. Now see, y'all see how it fell down? It's going to fall down like that because my hair is bone straight because I just got a relaxer. So usually I just try to comb it, brush as much so it doesn't fall. Take my scarf, firmly hold it, and then any hair that's like hanging down, I keep going around like that. So my hair is flat like that. And then it's just flat, and then I tie it in the back. Hold on. It's not even. Might have to bring the scarf around a little bit just to make it even. Still making sure that all the hair is up in the scarf. Oh my god, let me take my glasses off real quick. And you see, like, little pieces might fall off, but you just keep, you know, make sure everything's tucked. Now I take my scarf, tie it like this. It's not tight, it's just enough. And yes, I do this every night. Especially when I take my hair down, there's no time that I don't do it. Put my glasses back on. So yes, I wrap my hair every night. That's how I keep my hair straight, because if I go to sleep without a scarf, my hair's going to look a mess and I'm going to have to re-flat on it. So it's just like, to keep less heat out of my hair, I make sure I wrap up my hair. Make sure I use the correct scarf. Make sure I got my handy dandy brush, and that's all I do. So yes, I just wanted to show y'all how I wrap my hair to maintain my wrap. Hopefully I help somebody out there. It might look hard. Probably the longer the hair, the more difficult it may be, because as you can see, my hair is kind of like almost shoulder length hair. So it might be a little bit easier for me, but it just comes with practice. Practice makes perfect. So hope you guys enjoyed this little short video of a tutorial of how I wrap and maintain my hair, my wrap. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.